Hi, this is Tim Wilbright from Pocket Yacht Company. Today I'm going to walk you through this gorgeous 2021 Cutwater 32. To start off, we have twin 300s on the back end of the boat. Nice big swim platform. A storage box at the far end. So we step aboard. We've got a cockpit shower down here. Underneath this seat, we've got some access to the back end of the boat. We've got a drop-down seat that comes out. Behind the seat, we've got a grill here, stainless steel grill here, and then we've got a sink underneath that stainless steel grill. You lift this out, and there's a fish live well underneath there. Over on this side, we've got a raw water washdown, plus some switches for bilge pumps. One of the bilge pumps empties this nice big fish box over here. We've got bump out seats on both sides. They pop out like this. And then these cushions here fill in for a nice big seat here on the side. The other side does the same thing. Underneath here, as I lift up the floor, normally you'd have a big diesel engine underneath here. But instead down here, we've got a nice big storage locker, access to the generator, access to the diesel tank for the generator, some storage, twin 30 amp cords, some cup holders in the back. And drop this floor down, back away. I've got some downrigger plates or pads. We've got a stereo control unit for the Fusion stereo system, a cockpit 12 volt refrigerator. A much larger refrigerator as we step into the boat. You can kind of see the way the main salon looks. Got a big dinette seat to one side, a dinette table. This forward double steering station seat can convert into the other side dinette seat just by flipping that like that. Now you can flip this out and 4 people can sit here and dine. And then over here we've got a convection microwave oven. Underneath that fold-away, we've got a electric range. Underneath this next fold-away, we've got a hot and cold sink. We got a nice seat there, so you can sit there next to the 2 people that would be steering the boat. And then over on the helm, we've got twin GPS systems. We've got the autopilot. We've got the Yamaha readout. You've got over here, you've got the trim tabs. You've got the throttle controls for both engines, the start and stop control, the power steering system, bow and stern thruster, remote thruster control. Then you've also got the Yamaha key system, and also you have some 12 volt switching across here, VHF, autopilot remote. Stepping forward into the forward stateroom, we've got an island berth, about queen size. Gonna come look around here. You got a fold down desk over there, little storage compartment, TV that flips out. I missed the TV in the main salon. Little closet area. Then you've got the head with a rotating shower door system. Nice little pedestal sink. I'm gonna walk back out here, show you all the storage that you have in the galley. We've got storage underneath the helm seat, as well as a wine chiller system. This table does drop when it's in this position, in this configuration, and creates a double berth. So here we have the driving steering station, 2-person, your throttle controls, your Garmin, your Yamaha readout, autopilot control, switching panel. Of course, you have the bow thruster control and trim tab control up here as well. You've got an aft seat. Behind the seat, there's a solar panel. This seat will do what the other seat did, which is it flips over and faces the aft seat, and you have a little pedestal table that goes there. If we look up forward on the boat, we've got a digital TV antenna, and then in front of that is a remote spotlight system. We have a windlass out on the foredeck with controls at the downstairs steering station, as well as foot pedals up front. And you have 3 seats on either side. You'll see those bucket seats fold out, and then the center seat also has an upright and a reclining position. I think that's it for a quick tour.